Talk, guys. Happy Black History Month. This is the month where we celebrate our culture, our history of African American. This holiday means a lot to us. It means so much to us. But I wish we could have it all year, right? Instead of just being 1 month. And not to say any race cannot be a part of it. Like, bro, we ain't stingy like that, bro. We actually want to share our culture with y'all. Y'all just be weird about it. Not all of y'all, but some of y'all. But in all aspects, like, yeah, we want everybody to be a part of this, bro. And they're not solely just for black people. It's for everybody involving with us, you know? For our brothers and sisters, let's indulge into the history of our ancestors and gain some new perspective to take forward to avoid dangerous situations in the future. Stay black, my brother. Stay black.